In this video, I will show you the work of autofill handle. So what is the autofill handle or fill handle? This green little square icon is called autofill handle or fill handle. So what's the work of that? If you enter in the cell some number, and if you select and drag down, you will find that those are cell and selected. And if you click in the autofill handle and if you drag down, then you can see here the number will be copied serially. You can see here serially. So it's useful when we going to uh, do that to the number, or we want to maintain serial on the Excel. And there have lots of work of the autofill handle. Like if you want to copy a name again and again, you can see here this is my name. If I want to copy, then I have to click on the autofill handle and drag down, and you can see here my name will be copied through the rows. So it's actually work for the time period. You can see here, if I write here a day like Friday day, and then if I click here the enter, and then if I click on the cell and click on the autofill and drag down, then you can see here Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So it's actually work for the date. And if you want to just copy the date thoroughly, you can see here, if you want to just write Friday and if and copy it through the row, then what you have to do, just click on the control and then click on the uh, autofill handle and then drag down. You can see here it's only Friday. So that's how you can write only one date name. And it's work also for the month. If you write here one month like Jan, you can see here Excel understand that means January. And if you click the auto handle, you can see here February, March, April. If you write here the full month name, like, then if you click the auto handle and if you drag down, you can see here January, February, March, April. And it's work for the time as well. As if you write here 7 a.m. and then if you drag down, then you can see here it's work also for the time. So sometimes drag down can be hard for you when you working for lots of like row. Like now I am working only for 44 row, but in 150 like 500, that's time you what you will do, then you only click on the autofill handle 2 times. You can see here it will be automatically fill to your data. You can see here in this Excel sheet I only have 44 data, that's why it's filled to 44 data. If there have 500 data on the row, then it will it could be like it will filled um, 500 data for the 500 data. So that's why it's also useful. And like if you want to add here like the like now it's after 60 minutes, and if you want to add here after 30 minutes, then what you have to do, only you have to write 7, then colon, then you have to write here 30, then am or pm, then enter, then you have to click, and then you have to click on the autofill and drag down. Um, um, and then you have to click here and drag down. You can see here it's now after 30 minutes. So that's how Excel work for the autofill handle. So if you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.